Hey guys, so today I did my very first direct-to-camera segment on Fox. The team here is incredible, their studio is incredible, and if you caught it live, you were probably confused because I wasn't that incredible. I sort of talked like this in circles about what I was trying to explain. So I wanted to make this video for you because it is April 15th and I want to make sure everyone knows what they need to do today to get their tax return filed or get their extension filed. And I wanted to go over it very clearly, in a linear fashion to make sure everyone gets it right. Either file your tax return by today, that means it needs to get to the post office by April 15th, needs to be stamped by them, off in the mail with a check for the amount that you owe if you owe anything. If you don't do that, you have to file an extension. If you don't file an extension, the IRS is going to charge you penalties for failure to file your tax return, failure to file an extension, failure to pay your taxes due, failure to prepay the taxes due. The IRS can charge penalties of up to 25% of the amount you owe in taxes. You don't want that to happen. So to avoid that, you just file an extension today, April 15th. It also needs to get to the post office and get stamped as being postmarked today, April 15th. And if you owe money, you need to send a check for either the amount that you owe, 80% of the amount that you owe, or a check for the amount that you owed last year. The form you need to file is Form 4868. It's on irs.gov. You can Google it and find it. There's a little section you need to complete, and on page 4 of the form is the address that you need to mail the extension into. Fill out the extension, include a check. I would make a copy for myself. I'm filing an extension today. I'm making a copy of the extension form, a copy of the check, and because I don't trust the IRS, I'm sending it certified mail to make sure they got it. I'll know when they cash my check that they got it, but they may say they never got my extension, and I'll have proof that they received it. So make sure you get it in today, either your tax return or an extension, and if you file your extension, send a check for either 80% of the amount that you owe or 100% of what you paid last year. There you go. Set it in a way hopefully you can understand, and if you caught me on Fox this morning, let me know what you thought. I will try to do clear segments going forward, but I would love to hear your feedback. Thank you so much. Let me know if you have any questions.